Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well today guys, I'm excited to share a shop with me at TK Maxx Australia. I visited not one but two TK Maxx stores recently and I absolutely loved all their Halloween decor, so I thought I'd share it with you. I hope you enjoy. So guys, TK Maxx certainly does not disappoint when it comes to each season. Halloween is especially my favourite. Now me personally, I'm not a scary Halloween type of girl. I don't like looking at that type of decor, but I certainly love all the beautiful pumpkins and pretty decor that they have for Halloween. Now I really love looking at all their wall art, guys. They had so much to choose from. From a glam point of view, I especially loved this 3-pack of glam canvases. They were so gorgeous, guys, but I just don't have the room no more, so I did walk away, but they were very, very beautiful. I'm always drawn to the beautiful cozy throw blankets that they bring out per season, and I especially loved this one with the fall leaves.
She goes her own way, like I don't give a damn, girl. And my God, she owns it. So many heartbreaks, goes back to 2014, and I think that she knows it.
There's always a beautiful range of furniture pieces as well at TK Maxx. I especially loved these boucle designs.
Everyone's taking their shot, but missing out on the cut. I think she knows that. She drives them crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes them want it so bad.
I then came to the aisle of all the beautiful pumpkins. This store certainly didn't disappoint, guys. It was filled to the brim with so many beautiful pumpkins to choose from.
On both her ankles, 21 pilot t-shirt, that's the stuff. Goddamn, she's so fly, knows how to write a good song, at least better than.
I then came to the candle aisle, and oh my goodness, guys, this area of TK Maxx smelled like a beautiful baked cookie. Everything smelled so delicious.
Come on and give it a shot, but you'll be missing the cut. I think she knows that. She drives them crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes them want it so bad. Gets the attention that we wish that we had. Yeah, it's almost cruel, cause I want her to. Oh yeah, I'm running in circles just to make her react. My heart is racing, yeah, I want her so bad. I wanna kiss her, but I know for a fact that she's way too cool. But I want her to.
Now guys, TK Maxx certainly carry the most beautiful line of home decor, and I've mentioned before I live nowhere near a TK Maxx. It's about a 2 to 3 hour drive away to my nearest store. So when I do get the opportunity to go and see stores, I really take the time to go right over them.
I think she knows that she drives him crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes him want it so bad. Gets the attention that we wish that we had. It's almost cruel, 'cause I want her to. Oh yeah, running in circles just to make her react. My heart is racing, yeah, I want her so bad. I wanna kiss her, but I know for a fact that she's way too cool. But I want her to. Oh yeah. Kiss her right to. Oh Wait a minute, I just wanna get to you. I've been trying for some time. 'Cause I've been waiting here for someone like you. We go together like misery likes company, but we'll be getting there somehow. Nothing else matters, it all comes down to me and you. Everywhere we go, nobody knows. We're waiting for a sign to let it go and do what's right for us. Started out here, way beyond the tracks. The story of us and how we never look back. 'Cause this is our time, this is our life. And sometimes all you need is a smile to get by. We're one step closer to find ourselves a perfect place, a feeling you just can't deny. So come on over, 'cause I could never live without you. Everywhere we go, nobody knows. We're waiting for the time to let it go and do what's right for us. Started out here, way beyond the tracks. The story of us and how we never look back. 'Cause this is our time, this is our life. And sometimes all you need is a smile. You made up your mind just to see it through. There's nobody else here waiting. Just tell me how to get through to you. 'Cause I just wanna get closer. Started out here, way beyond the tracks. The story of us and how we never look back. 'Cause this is our time, this is our life. And sometimes all you need is a smile. Oh yeah.
Guys, I could spend absolute hours in this store. It really has my heart. There's always something special to find at your local TK Maxx.
To get by. So your tears been running like a waterfall. Thought the stars would never let you down. And you keep on thinking you could save yourself. But that's love, that's just love. You should know some things will hurt, and you'll end up getting burned. I just hope that you will learn. That's just love, that's just love. You will get back up again, even if you don't know when. And it feels like the world is coming down on you.
Guys, I always love checking out the clearance aisle on TK Maxx, and I really loved these plates that had been really reduced.
You have to move on, deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love.
I always love looking at all their beautiful tea towels, guys, and the Halloween ones were so cute. Guys, here in Australia, we certainly don't have the variety that my overseas friends get, and TK Maxx has stolen my heart purely because a lot of the things that I see here are what my friends are getting overseas, and I really love seeing things come together. For example, guys, there's things out there that we don't get here, and then 12 months later we might get them, so we might actually get something that is on trend a year ago, but then it ends up in Australia a year later. I don't know why that happens, but it just does.
I wanna close my eyes and go back, play it in my mind. A movie of us two, yeah, we were happy at the time. Can't remember what it felt like. We used to be so strong. That picture perfect sky now, it looks so gray and cold. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. kiss in July. Got stuck out in the rain, but we danced around and didn't mind it. So
here's an example, guys, of something that we got a year later when it was on trend last year. These cute, adorable glasses finally hit TK Maxx in Australia. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you enjoyed shopping with me at TK Maxx Australia for Halloween 2023. I would so appreciate you giving me a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can, and I'll be back next week, guys, for another video here at Chelle's Glam Home.
Silent treatment, is this what it feels like?
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all having a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.